Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on home screen and app drawer. That's the app skin. No need to use any third-party apps. Simply open settings, scroll down, click on home screen, scroll down and click on this option. Okay, then showing you to your all installed apps. So select that you wanna hide, like I'm select my gallery, then showing you to hidden list, Facebook. Okay, press on done. Now hide my gallery and Facebook from my home screen and drawer screen. Not showing it to anywhere my two apps. Or if you want to unhide, same way, open settings again, scroll down, home screen, press on and just press on to minus option, press on done. So look here, now successfully get back from hide folder on my two apps. So that's it.